In this video, I'll be showing you a very rare and unique soup. A soup so similar to Egusi soup that if prepared and placed side by side, you won't be able to differentiate between the two. So this is a soup that you normally use to maybe pray to your gods.
Yes. Normally use it.
This soup happens to be the most important soup to the people of Abala Kingdom in Delta State, Nigeria. And today you are going to see how they prepare it. Hello guys, and welcome back to Epic Food Review. In today's video, I've come to one of the most interior parts of Delta State. This place is called Abala Kingdom in Ndokwa East local government area. Today I've come here to eat one of the most, if not, it is the most important soup they have in this place. This soup is called ITETELE. And today I've come here to watch them prepare this ITETELE, and I'll be eating it and I'll tell you how it tastes. Let's go. Abala Obodo and Abala Uno collectively make up the Abala Kingdom, which is located at the northern part of Ndokwa East local government area of Delta State.
Welcome to Abala Kingdom.
Thank you very much. This town is a beautiful and serene place to come to when you want to be in complete tune with nature. The Abala people are mostly farmers and fishermen due to the abundance of fertile lands and rivers in the town. Abala is also home to one of the biggest philanthropists in Delta State, Chief Dr. Christopher Iwale, known as the Odogwu of Abala Kingdom.
So you can see the environment. It's a very beautiful place. When you are here, you are close to nature.
I came here to film two of their most important dishes, Ofe Tetele and Osami, but this video is all about the Itetele.
Honestly, as we are coming here, my brother, this place is far.
It's far because it's the first time you are coming it.
Okay.
Like it's not far. We normally pass it.
It's your village.
Yes,
it's not. It will not be far to you,
yes,
but it will be far to me.
Yes,
honestly,
because this is the first day we are coming.
I'm coming to this place. Yes, you are right.
Ofe Tetele is prepared using a special type of seed known as Itetele by the locals. I've never come across this seed before, so I don't know anything about it. If you know anything about these seeds, kindly tell us in the comment section.
The Itetele is the most important food in Abala Kingdom.
Okay.
The Itetele seed looks and feels exactly like melon seeds or Egusi. The only difference being that the Itetele seeds are smaller in size when compared to Egusi. So I won't be surprised if the two plants were related. This soup is the most important soup to the Abala people, as this is the soup they cook ceremonially, especially when they want to thank the gods of the land.
As you know, we Abala people, we are traditional people.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
We normally do tradition.
Okay.
Yes. We normally use it if we want to do festival. We have one festival they call Ulo.
Ulo.
Yes.
Okay, that festival you must cook this Itetele.
Yes. We normally cook it in Ulo. Or if we want to serve our gods.
Okay, I want to understand. So this is a soup that you normally use to maybe pray to your gods.
Yes, we normally use it. Yes.
Okay, I want to know.
Yes.
Do you use it to do maybe something like a traditional marriage, burial, or all this?
No.
It is just for serving the gods.
Yes, or the festival called
the
Ulo.
Ulo festival.
Yes.
Okay.
Ofe Tetele is so loved and cherished by the Abala people, such that it happens to be one of the reasons their people in diaspora come home during their festivals.
This one is Igbo.
My journey to this place was not an easy one, so I hope this soup will be worth the effort. The ingredients you need include the Itetele and crayfish. You need to grind them together to a powder like this. You will also need palm oil, dry fish, onions, ground dry pepper, bitter leaves, seasoning of your choice, and salt. Start by chopping some of your onions. Now put a pot of water on fire. Add some palm oil and your chopped onions and cover to come to a boil. When it starts boiling, add your ground Itetele. Mix very well and cover to cook for 15 minutes. As the soup is cooking, pick and wash your dry fish and set aside. After 15 minutes, add your fish, pepper, seasoning and salt. Stir very well to combine and cover the soup to cook for additional 10 minutes. You can adjust with more water if necessary. After 10 minutes, wash and add your bitter leaves. Stir very well and cover to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, your Ofe Itetele is ready. The preparation of this soup took less than 45 minutes. Alright guys, so here we have the Ofe ITETELE. Okay, it's time for us to eat this soup and I will tell you guys how it tastes. Wow. Wow.
How is the soup?
Wow. Wonderful. So guys, look wise, this soup looks exactly like Egusi soup. Egusi soup that is prepared with bitter leaf. Okay, then taste wise, it's also similar to the taste of regular Egusi soup prepared with bitter leaf. But there's a little bit of kind of a funky taste I'm getting from this ITETELE. I feel like it tastes like Egusi that has a little bit of fermentation to it, like a fermented kind of Egusi. It's not much and it's not bad. Okay, it's really, really nice actually. But if you have not eaten it before, if you eat this soup, you would not know. You will feel like this is Egusi soup. I would say that this is a more close alternative to Egusi soup than maybe you say Benny seed, because there is a soup I ate in Ebonyi, they call it Esesa. It looks like this, but the difference between that one and this one is that that one is a little bit, the texture wise is harder than Egusi, but this one is just as soft as when you prepare Egusi, just like Egusi. There is no difference, just that little funky taste that if you are not like, if you don't have the kind of sensitive taste that I have, you might miss it. Like if you come to somebody's house, they prepare this and give you, you might feel like this is just Egusi soup. So to me, I feel like this is just Egusi soup. And I noticed that they did not add any meat inside, it's only fish.
Yes, we normally use fish, because in our village we normally get fish.
Okay,
yes.
Okay. So anybody, if you want to use meat, you can use meat.
Yes, you can use meat, but this village we normally get fish.
Okay, so here in Abala Kingdom, they are riverine people. So they have fish a lot. So I think that's the reason why they did not add meat inside this one. It's just fish. It is made with fish and then the ITETELE and some other ingredients. But overall, this soup is very, very nice. Do I crave for it again? Of course, it's just like melon soup. It's not like Egusi, but I think I don't know if it has any special health benefits that you get from this. So you guys can tell me in the comment section if you know about this ITETELE. I don't even know the English name. I just know it as ITETELE, the way I was told here. Alright guys, so here you have it. The Ofe ITETELE, prepared in Abala Kingdom in Ndukwa East Local Government Area of Delta State. This soup is a proper alternative to Egusi soup. You would not know the difference. So if you love this video, like, share and subscribe. And always remember, eat to live while I live to eat. I am Mr. Epic and I will see you in the next video.